this is actually Siam Square. It's not somewhere else that is being newly built. This is the Siam Square. You guys came a lot for shopping and eating. And if you guys remember, this is the Siam Square 1 shopping mall. So as you pass this shopping mall, that's Siam Paragon. So I'm pretty sure you guys have been to this little spot, but it's almost unrecognizable now with all the reconstruction and renovation. And if you look at the buildings opposite the reconstruction, those abandoned buildings, there was, I think, Japanese restaurants and a restaurant serving fried chicken. Yes, so they've actually built quite a bit of newly built pavements already. So I'm not even sure if they're going to have roads for vehicles in the future. I think they won't have any cars passing through this street anymore like it used to do. And yeah, the reconstruction goes on for the entire street, so a pretty massive renovation, reconstructing of this street is going on. And this street used to be very, very busy. A lot of shops, a lot of restaurants that the local Thais plus the we foreigners like, tourists, travellers. And this little strip down here used to be kind of a street vendor place, but you can see a lot of the shops. We'll take a look in there in a moment. But I will try to find out later and see what they're actually trying to do to this place. Are they trying to knock out most of the buildings here and try to build a massive plaza? The side streets looks like they are going to be remained untouched. We'll go take a look at those also in a moment. Yeah, so Siam Square used to be very, very popular as well. In the area you've got Siam Paragon, Siam Square 1 shopping mall, you've got the Siam Centre shopping mall, and further away you've got MBK. But this little square, which they call Siam Square, was popular with both local Thais and travellers. But it looks like the pandemic haven't been too kind to this place, so a lot of shops are shut and not open. There are still a lot of really nice restaurants and cafes in this area. Okay, let's head down here because there's a restaurant I must show you guys. I might even make a video solely for that restaurant. Which is this restaurant, Inter. In my opinion, okay, I'm going to show you guys this bit right now. So it's the Inter restaurant, but I'm going to move away because of the drilling and stuff going on. That restaurant, I'm going to put a link of that restaurant on Google Maps, but definitely you guys, if you like Thai food, you have to visit a restaurant. The price of that restaurant is, I mean, the value versus quality you get in that restaurant is absolutely fantastic. The food is great and the price very, very, very reasonable. Yeah, not good. Probably the worst affected area in the Siam area. The Siam Paragon and Siam Centre looks like it's doing pretty decently, but this place, a lot of shops, their business has been affected. But let's go ahead and head into one of the side streets. Seems like everyone's crossing here anyway. Okay. Right, as we head into right at the end is of course the main Sukhumvit road. So the closer we get to the Sukhumvit road, the better the businesses are doing. So the further we go, like we did a few minutes ago, it's not doing great there. But this little area, there's a lot of independent businesses, like independent designers selling their clothing brands. And you've got the Mango Tango over there, which is pretty famous. I'm sure a lot of you have tried that dessert bar. This ramen bar looks pretty good. I'll give it a try later on. But let's look at a couple more side streets next to the main Sukhumvit road. This is another shopping mall, Lido Connect, and pandemic has actually done this place really badly, but the owner managed to kind of reconstruct and rebranded the shopping mall a little bit, and they're getting quite a lot of attention, which is good. Okay, let's take a look at this street here, and later on, of course, we're going to look at the street vendors and the street foods available near in this area. So it looks like this clothes store is pretty popular. But yeah, again, most of the shops are open, doing a lot better than the side streets that are lower down this area. But I'm still very curious on what they're trying to do to that plaza in the middle, or with all that major reconstruction going on. Okay, so aside from the street stores, you also have a soy or street here just outside the Siam Square shopping mall, and there's about close, I think, let's just say 100 street stores here selling mostly female fashions. And the product looks pretty good here for a pretty decent price. Yeah, so if you're a dude like me, then probably not the best street stores you would want to visit. Right down there at the end, there's some food available, but let's take a little bit more of a glimpse on these stores first. Right, okay, yeah, so, sorry. Almost ran to a lady there, but let's check out the food available. So I'd say there's about 15 to 20, or around 15 I guess, different street food you can try. So barbecue food, very popular with Thai people. This one looks like it's a dessert. Some fried food here. lot of BBQ, skewers and stuff. So yeah, primarily fried food and BBQs and skewers. So if you love food that could possibly give you a sore throat tomorrow morning, then this place is to visit. Looks like this is a noodle salad place. Okay, yeah, so this is about the update in Siam Square. And yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here. Thanks for watching again. If you liked what you see, subscribe and like. And obviously, if you have somewhere you want me to make a video of, leave a comment below. But see you next time in the next video. Bye.